This is race number 1 at Stock Truck B main. Right now it's Dylan Halverson out front. Eric stuck under some cars, but he gets out of that one. Eric Van Pelt in the 2 spot. Oh, Claire Nixon going for a ride. Looks like in that 3rd spot is going to be Zach Sipe. Claire Nielsen in the 4, Denny O in the 5, and Mel Hara running into 6. 1 minute down and 4 minutes left to go.
About this, and maybe an even greater.
Race number 2, have them ready, guys. Stock Truck A main. Yeehaw! We're going all over the place in this one, but it's still Dylan Halverson out front.
Yeah.
Dylan looking to win a race here because his other relatives can't seem to do that today. Father and uncle not getting the job done. As a disappointment. Good boy handling business right now. Dylan Halverson in that green and blue associated truck. Eric Van Pelt coming up on the back door now, though. In that white truck, Eric by the line. 23-2 to a 22-5 for Dylan and Eric. Mel Hara in that 3 spot last time by the line. Ozone was running 4th, and I believe still is Claire and Zach. Who's our running order? 2:15 down, 2:45 left to go.
And then we're supposed to ensure.
Halfway done, drivers 2:30 down, 2:30 left on the clock for Eric as he crosses the line with Dylan Halverson half a second behind him. Down the straightaway they go. Dylan not stepping out as Eric steps out at the end of the straightaway. Dylan though pushing over the line through that turn off the bottom of that tabletop. As they go over the step-up jump, it's Eric out front. Dylan tries to follow him through the rhythm section, but just gets it a little bit wrong. 2 minutes left to go, drivers.
You know what? And they have a right
2 minutes to go.
state. They can defend their borders.
Oh. 3:30 down, 1:30 left on the clock.
They said they apprehended about 1.2 million.
1 minute left to go, drivers. 1 minute left to go for Eric Van Pelt, Dylan Halverson, Mel Hara, Denny O, Claire Nielsen, and Zach Sipe.
But this is not to say.
Eric gonna try to bump up here, try his. Ooh, look.
The border is wide open.
Look the fast guys.
Well, those 650 came from Jordan.
35 seconds left to go. Stock Truck A main. How ready you guys are up?
With that is the terrorist groups.
Such 230-mile-an-hour street cars in the quarter mile. I mean, they can't go on the streets with their door slammers based on street cars.
That's kind of dumb. That is time, driver. Zach, you are done. Dylan, you are done. Ozone, you are done. Mel, you are done.